Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today I'll be unboxing the Apple Watch Asus E3 44mm midnight aluminium cell. It's, in my opinion, probably one of the best ones for most people. I also have the option of an additional strap. Alright, so let's have a look. So here we have the charging. Designed by Apple, California. Oops. Oh, there we go. So this is charging, and open it up. Carefully taking it out. So, if I remember correctly, this is the USB-C that obviously goes into your power outlet, and then that is your charging that goes into your watch. Now, let's just put that there. Leave it like that. So the next is strap, and you have to, there we go, open it up like that. Oh, nice, very nice. And you have your instructions as well, how to fit the actual straps, and then you take this out. These are your straps as well. I think you pull it like that. You have to pull it a bit more. Okay, let's just put that aside. So this is your strap itself. Looks quite funky. Alright, so let me just clear some of these. And now, of course, we have the actual watch itself. So let's just take it out here. Here it is. On and off. And your buttons for the different options. If I have to look at the straps, if I look at these ones here, if you take that out, I think it's clips. Nice and sturdy. So if you have the watch like this, I think you just clip it in like that, and then this one you clip it in from this side. If I There we go. There you have the Apple SE 3 midnight. Amazing watch. Actually, this still got some battery life on it, so I switched it on there. So you have your charging, and then of course you have the other strap, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching.